Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I really want to talk about a platform that completely changed my perspective on affiliate marketing. It's called LeadsLeap. Seriously, if you've ever felt like you're drowning in different tools and monthly bills just trying to get your business going, then you need to hear this. We're going to break down how this all-in-one system just might solve all of that. So, does this whole scene sound familiar? You're paying for a page builder over here, an email autoresponder over there, and oh yeah, a totally separate link tracker. Each one has its own learning curve, and worse, its own monthly bill. You can be hundreds of dollars in the hole before you even make your first sale. It's exhausting. And that really is the heart of the problem for so many of us. It's not just about the money piling up, it's about paying for traffic that turns out to be useless bots, not real people. And just the sheer overwhelm of trying to make all these different tools talk to each other. It's a huge roadblock that doesn't just waste your cash, it completely kills your momentum. But imagine this for a second. What if you could get all those core tools all working together seamlessly in one place, and you could start for free? I mean, actually free. That's the exact idea we're diving into right now. And that, of course, brings us to LeadsLeap. It's built to be that all-in-one solution. But what I find really incredible is its history. It launched way back in 2008. I mean, in the online marketing world, platforms come and go in a flash. Sticking around for over 15 years, that tells you they have a solid, reliable model that people can actually count on. And you can see they haven't just been sitting on their hands. After launching in '08, they introduced the Real Tracker in 2015 to fight bot traffic. We'll get to that in a sec. Then a review system for social proof. They are constantly evolving to solve the real problems marketers face year after year. And the long-term users really back this up. Take Gianluca, who's been using the platform since 2016. He calls it the most complete platform. And that just nails that all-in-one feeling perfectly. Okay, so it's a complete system. But this is the part that, for me, really blows the competition out of the water. While most services give you a really limited free trial, LeadsLeap builds its entire foundation on a set of genuinely powerful tools that are free. And I mean free forever. And a huge piece of that free package is their tool called the Real Tracker. Now, this is genius. Instead of just counting clicks, which bots are great at faking, it actually measures how long someone is active on your page. It knows if a real human is sticking around and engaging. And what that means for you is simple: peace of mind. You know your ads are being seen by actual eyeballs. If you've ever burned money on junk traffic, and let's be honest, who hasn't, you immediately get how valuable this is. It's all about quality over quantity. And just look at what they pack into this free account. You can build 10 different landing pages. You get their autoresponder, SendSteed, where you can manage 10 email lists with unlimited subscribers. Plus, almost 200 link trackers. These aren't just trial versions. These are serious business-building tools you can use from day one. And Kim Rader here sums it up perfectly. Even as a free member, you get the 3 pillars of online marketing: traffic, list building, and page creation. It's a complete starter kit, no strings attached. But of course, if you're serious about growing fast, there is a next level. That's the Pro membership. And the way to think about it isn't that you have to upgrade, but that upgrading is like hitting the accelerator on your business. Which leads to the obvious question, right? If the free version is so good, why would anyone ever pay to upgrade? What does going pro actually get you? Well, when you look at it side by side, it all comes down to one thing: automation. As a free member, you trade your time for traffic. You view ads to earn credits so your ads get shown. But as a pro member, your 10 ads run on complete autopilot, 24/7. Your email marketing goes from sending one-off broadcasts to creating fully automated follow-up series. You're basically buying back your time and putting your business on autopilot. And check out the traffic difference here. User data shows that pro ads deliver about 4 times more targeted traffic than the free credit-based ones. Let me put that simply. That pro investment could mean 4 times as many potential customers seeing your stuff every single day without you lifting a finger. And then there's the affiliate angle. As a free member, you get a 25% recurring commission when you refer someone who upgrades. But as a pro member, that doubles to 50%. This is a game changer because for many people, getting just 2 referrals means your own pro membership is completely paid for. So what does it cost to go pro? It's $27 a month. Now, when you think about it, a single autoresponder can cost more than that by itself. But here's the insider tip, and you're going to want to listen to this. If you upgrade within 24 hours of joining, you lock in the pro membership for just $19.90 a month. For life. That's about a 26% saving that you keep forever. So we've seen the features, we've seen the price, but what are people who are in the trenches using it every day actually saying? Is it worth it? I love this perspective from Martin Platt. He says the free membership is okay, but you're missing out on that amazing autopilot traffic. His conclusion? Pro definitely works. That really says it all. Free is good, but pro is where you get real leverage. And this quote from Simon Faulkner really reflects my own journey with it. He says it started as a simple tool, but became his go-to resource for tracking, advertising, and automation. It's a platform that truly grows with you as your business needs get more complex. My entire LeadsLeap page is built around this idea. And we circle back to Martin for this killer testimonial. He's gotten to the point where his affiliate commissions from LeadsLeap pay for his entire pro membership. His advertising traffic is now effectively free. Like he says, at that point, it's a total no-brainer. So let's wrap this up with the key takeaways. First, LeadsLeap is a super stable, all-in-one system that's proven itself for over a decade. Second, its free membership isn't a gimmick. It's genuinely powerful. Third, going pro is all about automation and putting your traffic generation on hyperdrive. And finally, it's all built on a foundation of getting you real human traffic, which is why its users absolutely love it. So it leaves us with this one big question to think about. In a digital world that just keeps getting more complicated and expensive, could simplifying everything into one platform be the real key to growth? If you want to find out for yourself, I've got a few links for you. You can see exactly how I use the platform on my LeadsLeap page at affiliatesuccesswithsimon.com/LeadsLeap. You can also connect with me on my Facebook page. And to get an even faster start, check out my free Facebook marketing system. Also, keep a lookout for my upcoming Facebook marketing campaign video. You can register through the link in the description for more info and my contact details if you have any questions. All those links are flashing on the screen right now, and they are, of course, in the description below. Thanks for watching.